RNP, it's our mission to eliminate the stresses on operators of heavy industrial tools. These are tough jobs. They take a toll on their shoulders, their backs, their arms, their lungs. So we consult, design, and build ergonomic tools for a very wide range of clientele. Our technical team of engineers and technicians is constantly innovating to improve and develop new products. With the use of the latest three-dimensional computer-aided engineering tools, we are able to refine the developed products to go into series production. At the end of the day, we're happy to know that we can send machine operators back home to their families injury-free and the possibility of retiring without health complications.